Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili extract. First, gather your ingredients: fresh or dried chili peppers, a high-proof alcohol like grain alcohol or vodka, and a clean glass jar with a tight-fitting lid. Choose peppers that match your desired heat, from a mild jalapeno to a fiery ghost pepper. Sterilize your jar and tools to ensure a pure, safe extract. Next, prepare your peppers. Roughly chop them, including the seeds and membranes, as these contain much of the capsaicin. Place the chopped peppers into your sterilized jar, then pour in enough high-proof alcohol to fully submerge them. Seal the jar tightly and store it in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight, for at least 2 to 4 weeks. Once the steeping period is complete, it's time to separate the liquid from the solids. Carefully pour the mixture through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl, pressing gently on the peppers to extract all the liquid. For an even clearer extract, filter the liquid again through a coffee filter or several layers of cheesecloth. Repeat this step until you reach your desired clarity. Finally, transfer your potent chili extract into a small, dark glass bottle, ideally with a dropper for precise application. Label it clearly, warning of its extreme heat, and advising for external use only or use with extreme caution. A single drop can add intense heat to dishes, or it can be used as a natural pest deterrent in your garden. Enjoy your homemade extract responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.